Hi, this is Togi with 4K Shooters. I'm at the Moza booth at Photokina 2018. I'm with Ja from Moza. He's going to talk to you about their brand new announced Photokina Moza X Gimbal.
Yeah, today will be the officially new launch of Moza Air X. So it will be a completely new concept of the edge cutting of the gimbal, which we use the best material. We use the carbon fiber. The payload will be 6 kilo, very high payload, but with the cell weight only 1.4 kilo. So you can feel it's really light. The battery time is about 20 hours. And what is most important that the gimbal itself can be detectable and put it on a slider. So in a slider system, you have 6 axis control robust camera systems, which 2 follow focus, 3 axis plus slider. So this is the most edge cutting and advanced system for gimbal shooting solution. And you can detect it again and put it back to the portable model. And you have 6 model. We get the inspiration for the Star Wars. Well, the filmmaker will hold the gimbal, hairy gimbal. The gimbal is not hairy, but the camera is hairy. So like a gun, with economical design to optimize the feeling and the creation of the filmmaker.
You mentioned a pretty big payload, 6 kilograms, so anything like maybe a red camera or an Alexa Mini?
Yes, Ali, very professional one.
Okay. How about a little bit smaller cameras like DSLRs or 4K mirrorless cameras? Would it work with them?
Yeah, definitely okay. So with that is just a peanut, so a piece of cake.
Yeah. Okay, so it has very strong motors, I would imagine, for that?
Yes, exactly. So there's 6 ways of changing. You can unlock it to change the position, how to hold the gimbal in an economical way.
Can you put it on a car? Is there a car mount, or that's something for the future?
Yes, actually it can be mounted on the car.
Okay, very good.
Yep.
What else can you tell us about it? For example, can you tell us about availability or pricing or any other specifications?
Now it's still confidential. Let's keep it a secret. Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So you don't have a price, that's okay. What about availability? Are you looking to release it later in the year or maybe next year? Or?
It will be released at the end of the year, so in production it will be next year, at the beginning of next year. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well,
yes.
Thank you so much. You enjoy Photokina.